Last winter, we put a snow bike kit onto a high-performance sport quad, and now the snow is melted, so we want to throw some tires on the front and get crazy.
Timber quad is now a timber snow wait, no, not snow anymore. Not the timber quad is now a timber trike dirtmobile ridiculous machine. So that didn't take long at all. Time to test it out.
Summarizing the timber quad was pretty dang easy. All we did was take off the skis and put the wheels on. I mean, the hard part was retrofitting this engine case to fit the track. Ethan and Spencer just had to take a little bit off of each side of the engine mount right here, and it just went right in. So that still wasn't that bad. I mean, it's made for a very similar engine on a dirt bike, just the mounting points were a little bit off. And then these tires are from the Odyssey. Since we blew up the engine in the Odyssey, we figured might as well put that good rubber on something we're actually using. And the thing handles amazingly. It's got plenty of power to push it. It turns a lot tighter than you would think. It doesn't turn as well as it did when it was a sport quad or anything, but Ethan and I both thought, like, this is gonna be a disaster for steering, and it was really hard to steer in the winter with the skis. But the tires are a little bit lower, so you have a little more weight over the tires, and you can lean really easily on this thing. You can just balance it out like a sled, just no problem. And then once you find that balance point, you can just cruise. We got a video coming out soon of Ethan doing the whole rally track, seeing how few times he can touch both tires to the ground. And it is seriously impressive. It's seriously fun. This is one of the projects we use the most, honestly, because it's electric start, it has reverse, you just back it up, take it around the track a few times, let your friends ride it. It's pretty simple for anyone who's driven a quad before. Same kind of thing, just you have a bunch of traction on the back. And this thing is amazing in like mud or like slightly icy conditions. It's just great. So we'll definitely convert it back to a sled in the winter, and until then, we're gonna try to do a video on the second channel once a week. So look forward to that. You.